This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our highlight of the content we have coming your way from CakeDecoratingSchool.com this year. To start, we've got another 12 fun cake projects aimed at reinforcing the basic skills while also challenging you to build more skills and give you some really great practice. We have some designs aimed at targeting your piping skills, like a spooky tree cake that'll be perfect for Halloween, a lovely monochromatic Lambeth cake that's great really for any celebration, and a chunky and festive holiday sweater that'll be lots of fun practice for you. We've also got a simple, cheerful design that's just topped with stars and rosettes. If you want to practice your flowers, we've got a traditional piped floral cascade design that features English roses and wisteria. We've also got a wonderful big, bold dahlia design that combines not only your palette knife skills, but also sneaks in some great pipe techniques as well. Then we've added a nice little twist on a comic style cake that's tattoo inspired and features some wonderful big, bold roses to help you practice those basics. We also have some fun, trendy designs this year, like an origami-inspired cake that features buttercream pleats, a wedding cake that's decorated with wonderful ombre rice paper sails that are easy to make but have a great, bold impact, and a wonderful stained glass design that features an iris pattern. These lessons feature helpful information sheets with details on things like materials and equipment we use, also cake sizes, buttercream amounts, and color recipes. We also include any templates that we've used to create our designs so that you can easily print those out and have a lot of help along the way. This way, it's easy to follow along in our step-by-step videos to create your own wonderful, beautiful cakes. This year, we've also revamped our foundation vault, and we've turned it into a basic certificate course, something we know a lot of you have asked for. This should give you a more guided and structured experience to start you off on your cake journey. You'll learn how to fill and frost cakes, make and hold pastry bags. You'll even get our great buttercream recipe that a lot of you ask for. And we're going to cover things like basic piping techniques, things like stars, lines, dots, shells, and rosettes, and include some great practice sheets for you to print out and help you work and follow along. We've got the basics of some piped flowers, and this little course is going to feature 3 fun, easy cake projects to help you get started. Once you've finished, not only can you print your own certificate, but it'll set you up for success to tackle any of the cake projects featured on our school either in this season or from past years. If you'd like more information on yearly membership and everything it includes, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for all the details.